Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change birth date on Discord. So there is not option available to change your birth date on your Discord app on your mobile phone. So to do this, you need to open your browser and then in the search bar, you have to search for Discord support. Now click on this first link. Now click on these three bars in the top right corner. Select this submit a request. Tap on the drop down menu and select this trust and safety, and then you have to type your email address. Then you have to type this appeals age update and other question. Next choose update my age information, and now you have to enter your birth date. Scroll down, check mark this. Now tap on this subject. On subject type change date of birth. Then in the description describe what happened to your birth date. You can type something like this. You can attach image of your ID card, passport or something like that to prove your real birth date. It's optional. Click submit, complete the captcha, and as you can see the request has been sent. You need to wait 24 hours for your birthday to be changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.